Let us see some tips about butyl alcohol. Molecular formula is C4H9OH. Actually, for this formula, total 7 structural isomers are there. Out of that, 4 are alcohol and 3 are ethers, which are functional isomers. Now, in this session, we are going to see 4 isomers of this alcohol. Okay, now see this and this one. Here chain is different, therefore these are chain isomers. What is different, that name is given. Okay, now observe these two. Here again chain is different, therefore these are chain isomers. Now see this and this one. Here the position of OH is different, therefore these two are position isomers. Okay, now let us see one more point. In this carbon is a chiral carbon. Therefore, this compound shows optical isomerism. That is one of the stereoisomerism, type of stereoisomerism. Here, D isomer, L isomer. Okay, you know that one. This among these 4, this sec butyl alcohol, it shows the optical isomerism. Okay, next. Now their IUPAC name, butanol or butane 1-ol. Here 2-methyl propanol. Here butane 2-ol. Here 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Okay, next N-butyl alcohol. Their common names. Then isobutyl alcohol, sec-butyl alcohol, tert-butyl alcohol. Okay, now their name according to carbinol system. See here, this is a carbinol, therefore N-propyl carbinol. This is a isopropyl carbinol. Now this is a carbinol. Here ethyl methyl carbinol. Then now see, this is a carbinol, trimethyl carbinol. Okay, next, now their nature. This is a primary alcohol, OH group is attached to primary carbon. This is also primary. This is the secondary and this one is tertiary. That is, out of these 4 isomers, 2 are primary, 1 is secondary and 1 is tertiary. Now let us see in short their preparation. Actually these 2 are primary, therefore these are prepared by hydroboration oxidation of corresponding alkene. Okay, this is the secondary and this one is tertiary. These are prepared by acid catalyzed hydration of corresponding alkene. Now one more, you know that the aldehyde on reduction gives primary alcohol, while ketone on reduction gives secondary alcohol by using catalytic hydrogenation or lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, therefore here these 2 are primary alcohol, therefore these are prepared by reduction of corresponding aldehyde. While this is a secondary alcohol, it is prepared by reduction of ketone, corresponding ketone. Okay, it is a tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohols cannot be prepared by using reduction of this aldehyde and ketone by using this reducing agent. This method is not possible for this preparation of tertiary alcohol. Now one more, these 2 are primary alcohol, therefore these 2 can be prepared by reduction of corresponding carboxylic acid. Reduction of corresponding carboxylic acid by using lithium aluminum hydride. Now one more method here, by using Grignard reagent. Now you know that primary alcohols prepared by using formaldehyde. Secondary alcohols use the aldehyde other than formaldehyde, and for tertiary alcohol we require ketone. Okay, now see here which Grignard reagent is required for this. Here primary alcohol, therefore for both this formaldehyde, and then that is this is from formaldehyde. Now the GR required, Grignard reagent is required is N-propyl magnesium halide. For this we require isopropyl magnesium halide. Now here this is secondary alcohol, therefore we require aldehyde other than formaldehyde. Now see here, if we use acetaldehyde, then we require ethyl magnesium halide. If we use propanol, that is propion aldehyde, then use methyl magnesium halide. Okay, now here we require ketone, acetone and methyl magnesium halide. Okay, next let us see their boiling point. Now you know that as branching increases, the boiling point decreases. That therefore among these four, it has a lowest boiling point and it has a highest boiling point. Okay, now let us see some of the chemical properties in short. Here, acidic nature, in that action of sodium metal. Now one more reaction, formation of ester, then reaction with Grignard reagent. Now in all these reaction, breaking of OH bond, therefore order of reactivity in this order. It is primary are more reactive than secondary, which is more reactive than secondary. Therefore the tertiary alcohol among these four, this tert butyl alcohol is least acidic while it is comparatively more acidic among these four. Okay, next one more reaction here, oxidation. Now we know that aldehyde on reduction gives primary alcohol, ketone on reduction gives secondary alcohol. Now here exactly opposite. Oxidation by using PCC or copper. See here, these two are primary alcohol, therefore on oxidation with PCC or copper gives the corresponding aldehyde. While this is a secondary alcohol, on oxidation with PCC or copper, it gives a ketone. Okay, now this is a tertiary alcohol, therefore action of PCC, that is pyridinium chlorochromate, oxidation with PCC, it is difficult to oxidize. It cannot be oxidized by using this. But it reacts with the copper, that is when heated with the copper, then it undergoes dehydration to form alkene isobutylene. Okay, that is here for copper, for primary alcohol gives aldehyde, secondary alcohol gives ketone, while tertiary alcohol gives alkene. Okay, next. Now one more, oxidation by using strong oxidizing agent. Now here primary alcohols on oxidation with strong oxidizing agent like KMnO4 or potassium dichromate or HNO3, they gives a corresponding carboxylic acid with the same number of carbon atoms. Okay, but here in case of these secondary and tertiary alcohols, when they oxidize by using strong oxidizing agent, then they gives a mixture of acids with less number of carbon atoms than the starting alcohol. Okay, this one. Next one. Now, the reaction with Lucas reagent. Here, that is a Lucas test. You can distinguish this primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. See here. Actually, here the order of reactivity is exactly opposite to this, because here breaking of CO bond breaking takes place. Here tertiary are more reactive, therefore they turn turbid immediately when reacts with HCl. Okay, or with the Lucas reagent. Then secondary alcohol turns turbid slowly, and these two are primary alcohol. They turn turbid or cloudiness is appeared only after heating. Okay, that is here tertiary are more reactive. One more, dehydration. For dehydration, here again same, the order of reactivity For tertiary alcohol is more, they undergo dehydration. Alcohols undergo dehydration to form corresponding alkene. In case of sec-butyl alcohol, see here two possibility. Therefore, it undergoes dehydration by Sedzev rule. According to Sedzev rule, here more substituted alkene is a major product. Okay. Now this is about all about 4 isomers of butyl alcohol. Okay, I think this information is useful for competitive exam as well as for theory exam. Okay, thank you.